In this demo, we'll explore how Azure AI Document Intelligence extract data from forms and documents using pre-built models. While traditional OCR can read printed and handwritten text, it presents a challenge. OCR extracts text in an unstructured format, making it difficult to store, search, or analyze. Azure AI Document Intelligence goes a step further. It's not only read text, but only understand document structure, capturing key value pairs, tables, and field names to provide meaningful, organized data. In this demo, you will work with a pre-built receipt model, which is trained to recognize key details such as merchant names, dates, totals, and itemized list. So let's get started. After successfully log in to the Azure portal, let's click on Create a Resource. And from here, I'm gonna type in Document Intelligence, the first one. And from here, you're gonna see a lot, as you can see. I'm gonna check this box to see only the Azure services only. I'm gonna click on this one and then click on Create. We're gonna go through the same process of selecting subscription, resource group, region, name, pricing tier. We're gonna select the standard. Same thing for networking. I'm gonna keep it accessible using system assigned, no tags, and let's review and create. It's only gonna take a few seconds to complete deployment. All right, now the deployment is complete. We're gonna click on Go to Resource. And you're gonna see it here, but to navigate to the Document Intelligence Studio, I have to open up another tab, and it's documentintelligence.ai.azure.com. This is the Document Intelligence Studio. Here you're gonna see the document analysis. This is a pre-built models like the OCR read, layout, general documents. These are the pre-built models, or the invoices, receipts, identity, documents, healthcare, personal tax, mortgage, pay stubs, and all of that. If you scroll down, you're gonna see custom models that you can create for your own business needs. And in here, I'm gonna click on the receipt one. Gonna click on the account that we're trying to use. Seems like I wasn't signed in correctly, so I'm gonna click again. Now we're gonna select the resource and the resource group, and this one. We're not gonna create a new one. We're gonna finish. Gonna cancel out of these. These are the pre-built receipts in here, as you can see. You can select any of those and run analysis, or you can browse from files. And I've already downloaded one and this one. We're just gonna run analysis here. Took a couple seconds. You see that created fields. Doc type is retail meal, country USA. That's the address here, phone number, all of that good stuff in here. And these are the confidence level, right? Transcription dates and transactions date, total tax, and all of that information. You can do the same thing in here on one of the samples. You see same information, confidence level here, address, tax, and total. All of that information can be used further to extract more data. Let's select this sample where it is actually scanned, copy, or take a picture taken of that receipt. See, it was able to read everything in that picture, including the address, prices, and the transaction time, which is great stuff. As a result, in JSON file, if you're going to integrate it with other tools, you can extract the data as JSON, and this is the code in here that was used to extract the data.